If you're a bit nervous because you're back to school and all your classes are now on campus, I have 7 easy tips to help you start your semester off right. Make an effort to get to know your professors from the first day of class. You can go to their office hours, ask questions, and discuss course materials after class. They'll appreciate your efforts and interest in the class. Who knows, they may bump up your borderline grades. Also, at some point in the future, you'll need recommendation letters, so it's worth building that relationship now rather than later. Don't make the mistake of chucking your syllabus aside. Read over your syllabus, extract key information like class schedule, where your classes are located, your professor and TA's office hours, reading assignments, how quizzes will be set up, when and where are the exams. I like to use a template for this so all the information are organized in the same way, making it easier for me to retrieve them later. A good time to organize your planner is at the start of the semester. If you don't have a planner yet, consider getting one. Stay on top of your class schedule so you won't be that student who shows up on the day that class is cancelled or miss an important assignment. Set your goals for the semester and come up with action plans. Use a study planner to plan your daily study sessions. In short, plan your success rather than hoping for the best, and you can do that with your planner. Develop a system to organize your notes. Whether you're a Notion fan using Notes template to keep your lecture notes in databases, a GoodNotes fan organizing your digital notes on your iPad, or you're old school, writing notes on physical notebooks. Stay on top of organization and your life will be a lot less stressful later in the semester. The last thing you want is wasting time finding your notes for that upcoming exam. Flashcards may work better for language or history classes, while practice testing works better for science and math. Figure out which study method works best for each course and come up with a customized plan for the semester. Failure to plan is planning to fail. Use grades calculator like this to keep track of your performance. Figure out your current standing for the course and make tweaks on your study strategies to stay on top of your goals for the semester. Professors and teaching assistants have office hours for a reason. A lot of students don't take advantage of this. It can be a huge help, especially if you're struggling. Work smarter by getting help when in need. Don't ignore your confusion or hope that they'll disappear, because chances are high that they'll appear in your next exam. I've placed the links in the description for all the resources mentioned to help you start your semester right. If you're interested to know how you can succeed in school using the free grades calculator I've developed, then watch this video next. I'll see you over there.